In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook, rules for a cleaner inbox. We'll be working in Outlook on the web, so start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Once you're looking at your inbox, find the settings icon at the top right of the page. It looks like a small gear. Click it to open the settings panel. In that panel, look for the section that lets you manage mail settings. Select Mail to open the full settings view, where you'll see a list of options down the left side. From there, choose Rules. This is where Outlook lets you define automatic behaviors for incoming messages so you don't have to sort everything by hand. Now create a new rule by selecting Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. For example, you might name it something like Highlight Invoices or Flag Newsletters. Good names make it easier to maintain your inbox over time. Next, set the condition that tells Outlook when to apply this rule. Choose the condition for From. This targets messages based on who sent them. In the field that appears, enter the sender's email address you want to filter. Type carefully to avoid typos, since the rule will only trigger when the address matches what you enter. After the condition is set, it's time to decide what Outlook should do with those messages. Add an action and select Categorize. Categories are visual labels that make important emails stand out at a glance. Click Select a category and pick the one you want to apply. If you're using existing categories, choose a color and label that makes sense for the type of message you're filtering, such as finance, projects, or personal. When everything looks right, your rule name, the From condition, and the category action, click Save. Outlook will now automatically apply that category to new messages from the specified sender as they arrive, helping you spot them quickly and keep your inbox orderly. A few tips as you go. Keep rules simple and specific so they're easy to troubleshoot. Use categories consistently across similar senders to build a trustworthy visual system, and if your needs change, return to Settings, Mail, and Rules to edit, reorder, or delete a rule. You can toggle rules on or off without removing them, which is handy during busy seasons. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable filter using Outlook rules and categories, and your inbox just got a lot easier to manage.